Hi, I'm Ron Miller, and my law firm Miller & Zoyce handles serious auto accident cases. In this video, I'm going to talk about the average settlement value of whiplash car accident cases. My firm is based in Maryland, and we only handle these cases in Maryland, but the information I'm going to give you has applicability throughout the entire United States. First, what is whiplash? Whiplash is a common neck injury that is caused by physical trauma to the neck when sudden acceleration or deceleration, such as a car accident, causes the neck to snap forward and then back. Whiplash is one of the most common types of physical injuries suffered in a car accident, and whiplash injuries give rise to millions of dollars in auto tort settlements every year. If you've suffered a whiplash injury in an auto or truck accident and are considering a lawsuit, you might want to know how much your case is going to be worth. It's not possible to say exactly what your individual case might be worth. There are just simply too many variables. What I can do is give you the statistics, and I can tell you the factors that matter in calculating that value. The value of whiplash cases in Maryland, or any state for that matter, is a function of two things: the severity of your whiplash injury and your chances of proving the defendant is at fault for the accident. Your case will be worth much more if the defendant was clearly at fault for the accident and your whiplash injury is severe and legitimately left you unable to work or function for an extended period of time. By contrast, if there's a valid doubt as to who was at fault for the accident and or your whiplash injury was not that serious, your case is going to be worth much less. Nationally, the average verdict for a neck strain case over a 7-year period is about $20,000. This is a little misleading, however, because it includes both more serious whiplash cases and less serious cases involving just a mild neck strain. Most whiplash cases settle, but we sometimes see these cases going to trial. They typically had our last whiplash case that I can remember. Our last whiplash case to go to trial resulted in an $87,000 verdict. Here's what happened. Our client was a passenger in a taxi cab in Baltimore County, which is supposed to be a very difficult jurisdiction to get a fair result in whiplash cases. It was a classic left turn case. The defendant simply made a left turn in front of the cab. There were no complaints of injury at the scene. The plaintiff later discovered her thumb was probably broken, but the case was really about whiplash injuries. The insurance company made no settlement offer in the case, although they did ask before trial if it would take $13,000 if it was offered. The jury awarded $87,000 in the case. I tell this story because it's typical of how insurance companies view soft tissue injury cases and whiplash injury claims. Most good personal injury cases are more likely to settle with one or more flaws, but insurance companies can't get it out of their head that the average whiplash settlement is pretty low. So if you have a good case, your claim is actually more likely to go to trial. I hope this was helpful to you in better understanding the settlement value of your case. If you're in the Baltimore, Washington area and you think you have a whiplash injury claim, call me. I'm glad to talk to you about it. Again, my name is Ron Miller. You can reach me at 800-553-8082. Thank you.